Hi guys, let's roast some carrots today. This is easy and beautiful. Let's make this. So I have some rainbow carrots here. I found them at the market. I'm like, yes, let's roast these. You can make these with any carrot that you have. Try and get younger carrots that are not like super thick because you'll get a better result. Okay? You can even use the baby carrots, which are actually real big carrots, which they cut in a factory, but that'll work with this. You can roast those, they'll be nice. I'm just going to drizzle olive oil on these. Some salt. Pepper. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of thyme to this. And I'm gonna drizzle some pure maple syrup on top. You can also use honey if you want, or nothing. So, not too heavy. Que no mucho, solo queremos ese saborcito. Yeah. Now we're just going to roll it around so everything gets coated. When you're roasting veggies, it's really important that you don't pile them up in your pan because you won't roast them, you will steam them. We want these to be roasted. This is gonna go into an oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 200 centigrade, for about 20 minutes. These are thin, they're gonna cook fast. If your carrots are thicker, they will take a little longer. 20 minutes in the oven, and I can pierce these very easily with a fork. I'm going to plate them now. I'm going to plate these with the bottom side up so they're glistening. So let's taste our carrots. This is good. You have a little bit of caramelization from the roasting. That little hint of maple with the salt goes great. The vegetable it's not limp, you know, we didn't cook it to death. It's perfect.